lean against vertical wall at an angle 60 to the wall. So let's say we have a vertical wall, and this is the ground, and we have a ladder that lean on this vertical wall, and the ladder makes angle 60 degree with the wall. The foot of the ladder is 7 centimeter away from the wall. So it means this place is 7 centimeter away from the wall. So we have to calculate the length of the ladder. This is the length of the ladder. If this place happens to be the ladder, so we have length L of the ladder, and the wall and the ground will make angle 90. So using SOHCAHTOA, you are going to have your sine 60 degree to be equal to opposite, which is 7, over the hypotenuse, which is L. So L will be equal to 7 over sine 60 degree. So L will be 8.08 centimeter. So in this question, we have PQ equal to 4 centimeter, QR is 6 centimeter, RS is 12 centimeter, and angle QRS is 90 degree. We have to find the value of angle X, which represents a PSQ, okay? In order to do that, we can simply find, let's first find angle QSR. But let me put it this way. Let's first find the angle QSR. And finding angle QSR using triangle QSR as well. So now triangle QSR is also a right angle triangle. So for angle QSR, if this place is angle QSR, it means 6 centimeter will be the opposite and 12 will be the adjacent. So tan of this theta will be equal to opposite over adjacent. So theta will become tan inverse of 6 over 12. And I want to believe that should give us, when we press our calculator, tan inverse of 6 over 12. That will be 26.6. That's 26.6 degree. And then let's find the whole angle here, which is angle PSR from triangle PSR, that is from the bigger triangle. So in doing that, line PR is the opposite to the whole of the angle PSR, and line SR will still be the adjacent. So we can still go by using tan of angle X plus theta will now be equal to opposite, which is 4 plus 6 over the adjacent, which is 12. That is 10 over 12. So X plus theta can become, X plus theta will be equal to tan inverse of 10 over 12. And that can give us tan inverse of 10 divided by 12. And that is 39.8. That is 39.8 degree. Therefore, our X will be equal to 39.8 degree minus 26.6 degree, and that will be equal to 13.2 degree. So that is the answer for that. Okay, in this diagram, we have QR to be equal to 5 centimeter, angle PQR 60 degree, and angle PSR is 45 degree. We have to find line PS. We have to leave our answer in short form. So as long as we have to leave our answer in short form, probably we should just find this short form of these special angles given here. So we are going to definitely need tan of 60, and in short form, tan of 60 is root 3. And I think we are going to need sine of 45, or probably cos of 45. Sine 45 is also equal to cos of 45 degree, and that will be 1 over root 2. So let's see how this will play out. Now to find line PS, we may need to find PR. And to find PR, okay, let's just take it from SOHCAHTOA so that it will be clear to everyone. Okay. Line PR happens to be the opposite of angle 60 in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, we can say the opposite over the adjacent. That will be tan 60. Tan 60 equal to opposite, which is PR, over the adjacent, which is 5. So PR will be equal to 5 multiplied by root 3, and that is 5 root 3, and that is PR. So in the triangle PRS, we have PR to be opposite to angle 45, and PS is hypotenuse. So we can use sine 45 degree equal to opposite, which is PR, over hypotenuse, which is PS. So, which means that sine 45, which is 1 over root 2, will be equal to PR, which is 5 root 3 over PS. Making PS the subject of the formula here, PS can become 5 root 3 multiplied by root 2, and that will be equal to 5 root 6 if we are to leave it in short form. Thank you. Here we have a triangle ABC, which is right angled at B. P is the midpoint of AB. That simply means PB equal to AP. So we have PCB, angle PCB to be 37, and line BC to be 5 centimeters. We have to calculate, correct the three significant figure, or line AB, okay? To find line AB, we may follow the shortest way to first calculate line PB, so that double of line PB will give us line AB. Okay, line PB, and to find PB, you can find PB from this rectangle triangle PBC. Same triangle PBC. And in doing that, PB is the opposite to angle 37, while BC is adjacent. So we can say tan 37 degree equal to PB over 5. So therefore, PB will be equal to 5 multiplied by tan 37 degree, and that will give us 3.77 or so, 3.77 centimeter, but that's not the final answer because we are looking for AB. AB equal to 2 multiplied by PB. As long as P is midpoint between A and B, so we can say our AB will be equal to 2 multiplied by 3.77, and that will give us 7.54 to 3 significant figure. The 3 SF. Now that is a Roman figure 1. Roman figure 2, we are asked to find AC. AC is an hypotenuse to entire triangle. So we can say AC square using our Pythagoras theorem equal to AB square plus BC square. So which means our AC can be equal to square root of AB square plus BC square. So AC will be equal to our AB, just calculated AB, and that is for 7.54 square, and BC is 5. So we can easily find this. And 7.54 square, that will give us 56.78 and plus 25. So if you add these two together and you find the square root, AC will definitely give us 9.04 centimeter. That is square root of the sum of 56.78 plus 25. So let's go to the B part of this question, where we are to calculate angle PCA. So to calculate angle PCA, we may need to first calculate the whole of angle BCA from the bigger triangle, angle BCA. So to find angle BCA, first find angle BCA. BCA. And to do that, we can say from this triangle, AB is opposite to angle BCA, and BC is adjacent. So we can use tan of the whole of the angle. Okay, let's just label that angle to make our work easier for us. Let's just call that angle theta. And to make our work easier for us, we can say tan 37 plus theta degree, and 37 plus theta will be equal to our AB, which is 7.54 over BC, which is 5, according to the diagram. And this will give us 1.508 if you press that on calculator. Therefore, 37 plus theta would be equal to tan inverse of 1.508. 37 plus theta will be equal to tan inverse of 1.508 is 56.45, and to get angle PCA, which is represented with theta, that will be equal to 56.45 minus 37, which is already given there, and angle PCA will be equal to, is approximately 19 degree to the nearest degree. Thank you.